Hello everyone, welcome you all. Hope you all are doing well. So over here, I want to ask a question from you all. Do you know how things happens inside the memory? Like how page replacement happens in the memory? If no, then stay tuned. Here we are gonna discuss that, and also I'm gonna show you the simulator we have created, the page replacement simulator. Here we have gathered to show you that. So let's get ready. Start with that. So what actually happens inside the memory? We have frames and the pages stored in those frames, but those frames used to be of fixed size, like they have fixed memory. And if the pages got more than that memory, then we need to replace some previous ones from the memory and add those new ones which are waiting, right? It's like you are in a class and you want to sit, but all the seats have been already taken by someone, or some people are already sitting over there. So if you want to sit, you need to replace someone. But on what basis we should decide how we are going to replace them? For this we have different kind of algorithms, for which we have created this simulator, page replacement simulator, which I'm gonna show you over here. So yes, this is the interface for of that. But firstly, let's see the code, and then we will later on come to it. So be excited, because here I'm gonna tell you a lot of things. So for the code, I'll of course scroll it in a faster way because I know you won't be that much interested in it. It might feel boring to you. So yes, we have created the simulator mainly using HTML, CSS, JS. This is the HTML file for that. Then we have this CSS files. It is very lengthy file, basically of 700 lines. You can see over here 700 plus lines. It is the main styling of our interface, right? Then after that we have one more CSS file, which is styles.css. It is basically for the extra styling purpose kind of thing. If we want to do extra, if we want to do any, if we had did like extra styling added into our interface, so this is the code for that. Then after that we have JS files. One is script.js. So yes, this is the code for script.js. You can see over here. I'm scrolling it down. You can see I'm scrolling it fastly. So, but if you want to see the code or anything like that, you can go to my GitHub. I'll in the end I'll show that to you for your reference. You can definitely download this in your system. About that we'll discuss later. So yes, it is the app.js files. We'll fastly scroll over it as well. Then after that we have main part, which is the algorithm part. So in this we have main six algorithms. First one is FIFO, like first in first out. This is the code for that. Then LFU, least frequently used; LRU, least recently used; MFU, most frequently used; and cloak, it is also an algorithm. Then after that we have optimum.js. Although this optimal algorithm is based on the things that it considers the future things, but it is impractical. But yes, it is very important as well still, because we use it for reference kind of purpose, and it always gives the most optimal result. Not always, in most cases I would say. Okay, so after that we have this components.js, in which we have animation.js, charts.js, which has charts included in our interface, that code, controls.js, then liquid charts.js, then matrix.js as well over here, then particles.js, and then after that at the end we have simulation table.js. After that we have utils folder, which has helpers.js file, and random generator.js. After that we have two more files. One is gitignore, which includes the this is basically not for your purpose, it's for uploading on the GitHub kind of thing, so you can skip that. And here we have all the things, like crux of the project, what's overall about the project, that this is the project, this is the features we have in it, then technologies used, project structure, how can you run it, and output, purpose, key learning, all of these things. Then after that, now let's come to the actual part in which you would be interested as well. So yes, this is the interface. You can see over here. Here we have so many features. Simulation tab, compare. So let's try and see how things are actually working. So firstly we have to enter some string over here, right? So let's enter some string and see how things are happening. So let's suppose we have entered this string. Now we select the algorithm. We can select any of them, like it's our choice. Number of frames we can increase or decrease according to our choice. Then let's run it. How it's gonna run. So see, you can see how things are animating over here. You can see the things in animation. You can see over here, if we'll hover over any fold, it will show that which page is being removed in this row, like for each. Let's firstly run it. Okay, you can see it has it run now. Now over here on this row 7, we can see that page 7 is removed. Let's see here. Here page 6 is removed. We can see in different cases. We have two hits, I guess. Yeah, we have two hits. Here we can see page folds, page hits, hit ratio as well. And here we can see in floating, like a graph kind of format as well. And we will hover, when we will even hover over these graphs, algorithm comparison, we will see folds in each of them. Like here we only run the FIFO, but here we can see in this graph each of them. In comparison, FIFO has 26 folds, LRU has 27. Like less number of folds you will have, that will be more better. So here we can see in optimal we have least number of folds, like 20 folds only. So it means it has more hits, because vice versa is true. So it means it is performing in a best way over here. You can see the comparison by going on the compare as well. Like when we'll click this compare button, we can see over here. Here optimal is giving best results with 8 page hits. Like it's huge, it's very nice. Now we can also directly go to the simulation part. It will show over here this part when we will go on this simulation tab. Then after that, we can change it to instant as well. Like we don't want to waste time by animation, we can directly do that as well. And we can, let's see optimal, since it's giving the best result. So let's reset the things and let's now instantly check that. So okay, we can see it has 8 page hits, 20 folds. And now you can see, let me show it to you again. When we run it this time, animation doesn't happen here. This time it directly came, like things were not animating. And here also it's written that on hovering folds pages, you can see, as we can see as well, that which page is removed. On hit also we can see that yes, page 8 is in the memory. Hit means that page is already in the memory. We can try it on some other string as well. Let's suppose this is our new string. Let's try some other algorithm. Let's try LFU. Okay, you can try any, like as per your choice. Reset the things, run it. So you can see here we have one hit only. Okay, it's okay. Let's see the comparison. Still optimal is giving best results. In most cases optimal will give best results, but we can't say it always. Okay, most cases but not always. Let's run it for some other LRU. You can, and let's this time animation should let's run the animation this time. Let's firstly reset, and yeah, now we'll run it. So yes, now you can see over here it's animating. Okay, so here you can see that we have one hit till now. Okay, overall we have one hit only. Okay, let's try on some other string then and see over there. Let's do instantly to avoid wastage of time. Over here, you can see that. Okay, here we have 0 hits. Like seriously, no hit is there. Let's try on some other string. Okay, we can give any string random, and let's reset the things, run it. So yes, this time we have 2 page hits. On some other algorithm also we can try it. Let's try on clock and see the things, run it. Okay, so here we have 2 hits this time as well. So the number of hits and folds will vary in each case. You can see in the simulation, and from compare table, by clicking on compare button, we can see the comparison as well. Now this was the project. You can see, and you can change animation, instant kind of things you want to do. In animation also you can change the speed, like slow, fast, normal, whatever you want. Then after that you can run it. You can change the algorithms. You can compare all algorithms from here as well and from here as well. Okay, and after that, if you will hover over the things, you will see, hover over the like graph bars. And here you can also do random things, change the speed. Along with that, one more thing you can do is you can export these, like export as CSV or export PDF. Like suppose I downloaded it, export PDF. Here you can see it's downloaded. Now over here you can see that yes, in this way it is gonna be shown over here. Now after that you can see this project. If I would suggest you should go to my GitHub, which is this Vanshi Katyagi. Over here, go to this page replacement simulator group repository. It was actually a group project which me and my two teammates have created together with the help of different tools, and of course with our logic. So yes, it took a lot of efforts. I would appreciate if you would go to my GitHub, see things over here. You can clone it, download in your system, and run on your own and play with the things, how actually things are occurring in different cases, how things are going on. And you can actually see that how actually the page replacement actually happens in the memory, how the things are happening behind the scene, which are not visible to us. It will be very interesting you, and I'm sure that you will like that. I'm damn sure about it. So please do go over there and please do check it and try it once on your own, play with the things. And yes, hope you like it. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. All the best. Thank you.